Introducing the exquisite range of soap dispensers by Euronics, where hygiene meets innovation and style meets convenience. Explore the different possibilities of the range of operation types, thoughtfully designed to meet your functional requirements. Engineered for versatile environments, our dispensers offer both automatic and manual options to suit every setting. Automatic soap dispensers by Euronics deliver a touch-free experience where cutting-edge technology meets impeccable style. Our manual soap dispensers offer a robust and durable design with easy operations for everyday use. Unlock endless style possibilities with our curated range of combos and products designed to match your aesthetic. Find the perfect match for your space, be it a space-saving 2-in-1 combo or standalone units. 2-in-1 combo dispensers seamlessly combine automatic soap dispensers and water taps to offer a compact, hygienic, and space-saving functionality. Designed for reliability and style, standalone dispensers integrate easily and efficiently into any space. Discover a variety of mounting styles, crafted to complement every interior styling, ensuring effortless functionality. Whether basin or counter, wall mount, behind mirror, or under counter, our dispensers adapt seamlessly to your design and usage needs. For a modern touch, choose basin or counter-mounted dispensers, blending style with superior functionality. Wall-mounted dispensers offer space efficiency and ease of maintenance, perfect for high-traffic areas. Choose our behind-mirror soap dispensers for an unobstructed and touch-free experience, ideal for premium interiors. Under-counter dispensers keep surfaces clean and clutter-free, delivering soap effortlessly while preserving a minimalist aesthetic. Upgrade your washroom with Euronics, where smart design meets superior hygiene. Add a touch of sophistication with our premium finish options, crafted to complement any decor. Explore our extensive product range and experience how Euronics enhances both functionality and aesthetics across your washroom space.